wish you all a very happy 14th Mother's Day. And I would like to specially welcome the new people who have joined recently in our company. And for their sake, I would like to narrate in short our journey from the beginning. Medaj was registered on 26 June 2007, and we started to operate from a tiny space out of a building in Hazratganj. It was a very small office, and we thought we would never need more space. It was maybe 10 by 10 of space that we started with. So as it happens, when someone starts something new, which was unheard of before, people who heard of our venture were sure that we would fail. Whoever heard about it, their first reaction was like, "Ye aap kya karne ja rahe hain? This will fail." So the idea, according to them, was pretty foolish and ridiculous, and it was enough for a person to drop the idea and feel stupid, that I shouldn't have done this. But our CMD has always loved to swim against the stream, and he steered ahead with a steel will. And thus we started consultancy in power sector, an area which was fairly untapped at that time, and success was not easy to fathom. Now it's nothing short of a miracle that the company has survived and thrived in a non-conducive circumstance in which no one who had an opportunity missed a chance to pull us down. Now we can proudly say that Medaj is a name to reckon with. It's all because of our CMD's vision and his capabilities to foresee the future trends, and of course our highly dedicated team spread all throughout the country. There cannot be success without a team and its sacrifices. I am very thankful to each and every Medajite for his and her relentless effort to take the company forward, and believe me, we are very well aware of the sacrifices that you all make, whether at head office or at far-flung sites. We are constantly coming up with ideas to improve upon our structure and our processes and trying to implement them. We are trying our best to be perfect in an imperfect world, and everyone's support and positivity will help us to pull through all the hurdles. I can't help but stress upon a few points that can help us all to function well professionally for our own benefit. Some small tips, everyday tips. Start your day with a clear planning of what you're going to do. Your day should start with a plan. Second thing, start making to-do lists. We should all try to put down our tasks as to-do list, whether you write it or use an app for that, because you can't retain everything in your mind, and keep on ticking those which you complete. And third is prioritize your task. Maybe you made a plan in the morning, but it happened that something unexpected comes up, so you should know how to prioritize your work. So these are some small tips. Lastly, I want to share with you my tale of falling values in the society. Since this is a good platform where I'm addressing many people, I'm deeply pained that in today's world, deception has become smartness, and honesty and integrity have become the virtues which we better not have. Isn't it true that people who are honest and sincere are often ridiculed by people who are deceptive? This tendency will take us to serious degradation of society. Can we all retrospect within ourselves and assess our value system? whether it's a country or state or city or neighborhood or workplace? Do we love them and respect them? These are the questions which we should ask ourselves. There is a saying, when you do the right thing when no one is looking, that is integrity. So let us all ask ourselves how far or near we are to this concept. Let us improve ourselves every day, be positive in our thoughts, and we will build a beautiful company and a beautiful world to live in. Thanks and all the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.